Well, welcome back to Trading with Mondo. Today we're gonna go ahead and today is August 11th, right? August 11th, 2026 at 9:33 p.m. Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. We're gonna go ahead and review some of the stocks that we have. IWM, SPY, and QQQ. Those are the sectors. And let you guys know what we are looking at. It's Tuesday going into Wednesday, so you'll see. We're doing midweek. I'll do another of this video on like Thursday or Friday, and then on Sunday I'll probably do like a longer video. Maybe we could go find some new stocks to invest in. But for today, after we review those for the sectors, we're gonna go ahead and review our stocks, and that's it. So for the first one, we got SPY. We'll go ahead and check that out. All right. So after this massive ass fucking run up all the way up, it's consolidating. Today didn't really do much, but just get under the MAs. I'm still holding, so that's a good sign, right? We honestly, we're just gonna be waiting if it either breaks out or breaks down to this level, or breaks out to this level, and play for the other sector. IWM, the Russell 2000 ETF, same thing, around up, kind of consolidated. This is looking like a bear flag, so that's interesting. Besides the really high sell volume, but the good thing about the IWM is how it pulls back and it's above MAs, so that's good. We'll see if it pulls out to like 305, but maybe pulling back out of the maze. It really just depends on the other sectors. For this particular like fund ETF, it's above the MA's price action. It's holding, so we'll see how it reacts. Let's go to the final one, the Qs. And for the Qs on the daily, it's above MA's, even though I had a red day. On this particular one, that it got under the MA's, so that's kind of crazy. So now you got the Qs and the SPYs under the MA's, right? So we're gonna go ahead and just sit and watch it, see if it holds. If it holds on the daily, if it holds on the 30-minute chart. But if it does hold, then it could run up to maybe 740. If it doesn't hold, it's gonna probably run into the other MAs out here. For the most part, we'll see what it does, and whatever it does, we'll follow it to make some money. All right. Next stock, we're gonna go ahead and go through our 12 stocks we have for the week. So for the first stocks we have is ABSI holding nicely. This is nice. This is nice. Typically, we're already in 9. Our target is 10. So once it gets 10, we'll probably get out of it. Our stop was at 875, but since it kind of broke out, we'll go ahead and move our stop to probably 9. That way, we could like limit our stop loss, even if it pulls back, just in case the market pulls back. But yeah, man, this was looking kind of solid. We're trying to shoot for the 10. And if it hits the 10, we'll sell. And then after the 10, we'll figure out what to do. But for the most part, right now, our main focus is in this 10 area. It's holding, it's in the MAs, it's looking pretty solid. Next stock we're doing is RXT. Mark super strong, pulled back all the way down, following the market. And got the MAs. Honestly, this is I had bought a bunch of stock way down here at like 650 and I'm down. So this shit is rough. But we're gonna go ahead and look at it with no bias. All right. If I'm not, I mean, I am in this and I'm already kind of low. I'm already like just holding. Hopefully, it doesn't go all the way down. Personally, the only reason why I'm holding is because it like has a bunch of buy volume right here and right here, right? It did sell a little bit right here, but like the amount of volume it bought in the beginning when it ran up was kind of interesting. But now thinking about it, that's probably the reason why I ended up with this volume. It needed probably more. But what I've seen most stocks sometimes they do, it's like they'll just chill out for a bit, right? And then they just fucking go on a massive run, right? So I'm just trying to hold this 150 position, trying to flip it. But right now I'm like $50 down. I was 70 down, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers, right? We'll see what the MH do. I'm gonna hold it if I was playing like if I was fresh new and I was trying to play this on the daily, it looks super fucking sloppy. But on the 30-minute, it doesn't really look that bad. I'll go ahead and what I got in it, 450. Try to probably hit like maybe 425. Little quarter. Remember though, there's a MA coming right here and it's kind of sitting on it. So it could hold, it could not hold. It really doesn't know. But if it doesn't hold, it could touch 350. So yeah. Our next one is RDW. RDW solid. On our last video, we go ahead and entered in enter 1375, target 15, and our stop is 1325. So right now, 1375 would have entered, right? Mm, never really hit 75, did it? Yeah, it probably did. We'll probably on it. Anyways, 25 cents, not that bad. Still holding, still positive. Green Day. We're still shooting for 15, right? So once it hits 15, we'll sell. Um, personally, not personally, it looks like they want to do it though. It got the moving averages coming right under it. It hasn't got under it, even though the other three sectors did get under it. So we'll see what it goes. Remember, our target is 15. And we entered 1375. So technically, we're on the red, but you know what I'm saying? Like, it's going to bounce back to 15 if the market goes that way. You know what I'm saying? But if the market doesn't go that way, well, then we're going to be stopped out at 1325. All right. So, yep. Next one that we're going to do is QUBT. I'll let you guys kind of sit on it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me get a minute real quick. I hope you guys are done thinking because I'm back. And basically, it's in between these two MAs, so we'll see how it goes. If it either breaks up or break down. On a 30-minute chart, it's kind of fighting the MAs. You know, we'll see. Personally, I wouldn't get in it, especially because it's in between moving averages. So we're gonna go ahead and go to POET. POET, pretty solid. It's between moving averages though. Maybe not trying to get in it. It does have some room to run, maybe to 955. but I wouldn't get in it. Let's check this shit out for watch this. Cool. Our next stock we're gonna be watching is QQQ. Yeah, which is interesting on the daily. It's holding the MAs in between the MAs, the daily, and has some gap to 1 to 10. But I first want to see if it gets over the moving averages for me to enter, and they haven't really done that. So we're gonna go ahead and just keep moving. Our next stock is NBTS. All right. So yeah, this guy's kind of like a smooth run, you know. Enter 14, we're down 40 cents, target 1650. Not that bad. The moving average is the 50 moving average is not that far away, but it's still kind of far away. So on a 30-minute chart, you could play it though. You could get in it on the moving averages. If support holds, try to shoot 1450, maybe 15. Not bad. And then the next one, VELO, EVLO, Bolero. I'm trying to say Bolero. On the daily, it's holding still, so 50 MA on top of it. On the 30-minute chart, it's also holding, so that's interesting. If the market really does turn, if the market like goes like up and it follows this, you probably try to run it to like maybe like 1550, enter at like 1375. It's holding, it's above it. Yeah, it's really depends what the market does. Next stock we got is TMS. TMS looking solid, got above the MA, holding support. On 30-minute, price above moving averages. If I would want to get into this, I mean, like I was trying to short it a couple days ago, but now if you try to long it, go ahead and get in 450, try to do 475, maybe $5, 50 cents. 50 cents. We're gonna give you 50 cents for the free. Go ahead and keep it moving. Next stop we're gonna do is OSSS, all one-stop system. Kind of at the bottom here, hit the bottom here, bounce back up. Now it's kind of fighting the MAs. We got an MA, I got a moving average above it. On the 30-minute, it's below the moving average. So if the market slightly just tanks, like goes right there for a bit, this is gonna eat shit. So this is probably nice little trade. We'll go through that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and enter. This is a short. Okay, short 1275, right? And then target is gonna be 1150, bro. Stop. We gotta make that shit. 13. Yeah, do the 13. Okay. All right, so we got a short position. So we got a short. Enter. And then 5, target, it's 50. Stop 13. Boom. Easy money. If we fucking get stopped out, fucking cares. Next stock we got is ATRA. ATRA got a bunch of moving edges on top. It's currently curling a couple of moving averages. I'll probably say the fuck away from this for sure, especially how it's not plain. We already discussed that. QQQ, we already discussed that, and we're gonna go ahead and discuss fucking SpaceX. I really like this stock, honestly. That's kind of it. Uh, kind of back him up. I kind of back up. You know, I hope he goes to the fucking Mars or whatever, and we make a bunch of money. But let's go ahead and review SpaceX. So we're gonna go ahead and SpaceX, SPCX. Personally, after this IPO, it kind of ran up and then it kind of just ate shit. Now it's kind of finding its way. I personally shouldn't have sold the shares that I had when I bought it at 150 and I sold it at 120 because I'm a fucking retard. But it's all good. If I'm playing this, I probably wouldn't play it, but if I would, if she's kind of holding, if it holds at like 135, try to do it for 145, 150. If it doesn't hold, I'll probably try to shoot down too. But at that point, I will just wait for like the MAs to get above it. I would kind of push it down harder. It's kind of like a rule of thumb. I mean, the MAs are kind of important, I guess, in like this trading stuff. But yeah, we came to our final stock. That's kind of all we have for today. Hopefully it was short, 17 minutes. That's not that bad. Happy Tuesday, going into Wednesday. I hope you guys have a good week. Hope you guys have a trading week, make some money. And happy trading. Talk to you guys soon.